Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, and welcome to MTA. In the following minutes, we are going to present you a short visit of Huzoor during his tour of the Jalsa Salana 2005. Huzoor was invited on the 30th of August 2005 to visit Nasir Bagh. Nasir Bagh is now called a local Imarat and is surrounded by many cities, and this local Imarat invited Huzoor for a short picnic and barbecue evening in the area of Nasir Bagh. As you can see, the preparations are fully going on, and everybody was expecting Huzoor's arrival shortly.
दुआ कर लें पहले।
Huzoor first had a meeting with the members of the local Imarat, including the Ansarullah, the presidents of the Jamaat, and the Khuddamul. Everybody had the opportunity to introduce himself personally to Huzoor, and Huzoor also gave the members some advices to do their duties properly. Also, the Khuddamul had the chance to introduce themselves personally to Huzoor. After this short briefing, it was time to have a memorable picture with Huzoor in the mosque. Huzoor then moved on and visited the outside area of Nasir Bagh, where he planted a tree in front of the mosque. Last but not least, it was time for the actual purpose of Huzoor's visit to Nasir Bagh, the dinner with the members of the Jamaat of the local Amarat Nasir Bagh. At this event, approximately 300 to 400 members of the Jamaat took part. While everybody was waiting for the dinner, Huzoor Aqdas had a lot of questions to the National Mirza of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Germany about the area of Nasir Bagh, how big it is, how many acres it has, what the actual purpose and the usage of this area is, and how many members includes this local Amarat. After all, as everybody knows, Nasir Bagh was the place where all the Jalsa Salanas of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Germany were took place until the year 1994, when then the Jalsa was moved to Mannheim. Alhamdulillah, Huzoor was very satisfied with the organization of this evening, and at the end of the night, Huzoor had a memorable picture with all the participants and the workers of this wonderful evening. I hope you like this program. Stay tuned for inshallah more visits of Huzoor Aqdas.
अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार दुनिया में हमने देखे बहुत खूब रू मगर दुनिया में हमने देखे बहुत खूब रू मगर सूरत तेरी है सन्नत साने का शाहकार सूरत तेरी है सन्नत साने का शाहकार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार तेरी जबी पे हुस्न अज़ल की तजल्लियाँ तेरी जबी पे हुस्न अज़ल की तजल्लियाँ तलत से तेरी नूर सदाकत है आशिकार तलत से तेरी नूर सदाकत है आशिकार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार अक्से जमीलो सूरत ज़ेबा बावकार पड़ती है क्यों निगाह मेरी तुझ पे बार बार